Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a Gujarati recipe called Handwo. Handwo is made with rice and lentil, and we could add any kind of vegetables in it. Also, Handwo is a savory cake which is baked in the oven, and it could be kept in the refrigerator for at least a week, and you could enjoy it during your breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's go check out the ingredient what I will need to prepare the Handwo. So the first step in preparing the Handwo is I have bought the Handwo flour from the store, and it contains rice and lentil. It is ground coarsely, and what I did is I have taken 2 cups of Handwo flour, and I have soaked the Handwo flour with 1 cup of yogurt, which is plain yogurt on room temperature, and 1 cup of lukewarm water. And here it looks after I have soaked for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you don't have time, at least you have to soak for 1 hour. So this is what it looks like after that. Also, I am using 2 cups of shredded bottle gourd over here. You can use any kind of vegetables. You can use carrots or zucchini or any kind, or you can just skip the vegetables too. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic green chili paste, 2 teaspoon of kasuri methi, that's the dried fenugreek leaves, around 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery, or you could use sugar instead of jaggery, salt to taste. I'm going to use Eno fruit salt, or if you don't have Eno fruit salt, then you can always use half a teaspoon of baking powder, around half a cup of cilantro or coriander leaves. And for tempering, I'm going to use some curry leaves and 1 dried chili. And also I'm going to use 1/4 cup of oil. And for my masala box, I'm going to use asafoetida, around half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. So now let's go mix all the ingredients together first, and then I'm going to do the tempering. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add the shredded bottle gourd, that's called lauki or dudhi in Gujarati, and to that I'm going to add all these masalas, the ginger garlic chili paste, kasuri methi goes in, salt to taste, coriander leaves goes in, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander and cumin seed powder. I'm going to add the soaked Handwo flour. I did not use much water in the beginning, and because the bottle gourd has a lot of water too, so I'm going to mix it first, and then I'm going to see if I need more water or not. I'm going to add the jaggery now, and oil, the 1/4 cup oil, and I'll mix everything together again. I don't think so I'll need more water now, because the consistency should be like this. It's not runny, but the batter should be like this. So I'm going to mix it thoroughly now, and then now let's go prepare the tempering. I've added around 1 tablespoon of oil. To that I'm going to add the mustard seeds first. Let it sputter, and then I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of the fenugreek seeds. I like the fenugreek seeds to be a little brown in color, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to, now at this stage, I'm going to add the hing. Around half a teaspoon of hing goes in. I'm going to switch off the flame here, and I'm going to add the curry leaves and the dry chili. Be careful, it splutters a lot. So the tempering is ready. Let's go pour it over the Handwo. Give it a good mix now. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Mix it well. Also, I have a baking tray ready over here. I have greased it with oil. And on the other side, my oven is preheated at 375 degrees. So I'm going to pour this batter on this tray here. Tap it a little bit, and on top I'm going to decorate it with the sesame seeds. I love more sesame seeds because when it gets toasted, the aroma is so good over there. And then the thing is, I love the crunch of the sesame seeds. So now let's go bake this at 375 degrees for at least 45 minutes to 50 minutes. The handwa is ready now. It came out so perfect. Let me check. The knife is clean too. So now I'm going to cut them into small pieces. You can eat this hot too, or you can let it cool for a little while and you can eat them too. I like both ways, hot and at the room temperature. Take it out in the plate here. You can see it came out so nice and fluffy. Let me give it a try. It tastes so good. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another great recipe.